In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to install Java 26 on Windows 10 or 11. So first, open up your browser and search up these keywords Java JDK download and look for the download link from Oracle. So click on it. Now here, scroll down and make sure that you are currently on the JDK 26 tab. And here you actually have a few options of systems where you would like or prefer to download it. But for our case, we're gonna switch to Windows. And here look for x64 MSI installer and click on the link beside it. Now just wait for the installation to be done. And now open it up. And here just follow all the on-screen prompts and installation and wait for it to be done. Click on yes if there are any permissions to allow. So once done, you can close this window. So the next thing you may want to do is open up the start menu and here simply type in environment until you see edit the system environment variables and click on it. So here, click on Environment Variables, then click on Path, and click on the Edit button. So now open up your File Explorer and head over to your C drive, and here click on Program Files, then look for Java folder, open it up, then click on JDK26, then go to Bin. Next is click on the path at the top and copy it. Then go back to this Edit Environment Variable window and click on the New button. So here we're basically just gonna paste the path that we copied earlier, then press OK. Once done, we're gonna set a new variable, so click on the New button. And here we can name this as Java underscore home. And for the value, simply paste the same path that you copied, but this time remove the bin part. Then press OK. Then click on the OK button. Then OK once again. Now if you head over to your start menu and open up command prompt or CMD, and here we can basically type in this code Java, then space, then double dash, then version, and press enter, you should see the latest version of Java, and this means that you have successfully installed Java 26 on your Windows PC. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!